Hi, this is a technical video for all the technicians coming to the Hen Chickens. Here we go. First of all, coming in the theatre, there is a main light switch just on the left-hand side as you come in. That will switch the main lights on. Here you have the stage area, and then you have the auditorium. There is a second main light switch in the tech box. We'll get to that in a moment. So the projector and screen. The projector is in the rig. You can't really see it there at the moment. There it is, up there, ready. And the screen is also in the rig, and that's electric, and we'll show you how to bring that down in a moment. First of all, what you need to do is come up to the tech box. There is a plug with proj on it. You switch the lights on. Oh, sorry, here we go. There's the light. And you see proj, you'll switch that on. Then in the tech box, there will also be, usually up here, I think, a remote control. And all you need to do is point that at the projector. Sorry, this thing keeps moving. Point that at the projector and press power. And that will come on. Now, while that's powering up, what we can do is to go and get the screen. So, we go down to the stage. Oh, and we can turn the working lights on here, by the way. These are just above the fans, the working lights with the yellow label. There we go. Now, on the far side of the stage here, you'll see a plug socket with the projector screen plugged in. Switch that on. Then, what we have is a little climb on a chair, and there is, in the rig, you can see this little box here. Now, on the side of that are 3 buttons. The lowest button brings the screen down. So, as you can see, the screen is now lowering, the projector is on. So what happens next? Well, what happens next is you get your laptop plugged in to the HDMI back in the box, which will be on the side here. As you can see, HDMI cable. Once you plug that in, it should automatically pick up the signal. And that's how you work the projector. And to turn everything off, you basically do the reverse. Okay, so sound. We're moving on to sound now. Now, if you're using sort of instruments or want to plug anything from the stage, in the dressing room, there is, just under one of the shelves, a case with all kinds of XLR cables and jack to jack, etc. So you're very welcome to use any of those. Now, if you want to work from the stage, then we do have, let me do that, there you go, this stage box here, which you can plug the XLRs into, and they correlate with numbers on the soundboard. Let's just take you back up to the box. And here, straight ahead, is our soundboard. Now, so each of the first 6 inputs here, along here, are for the 6 inputs on the stage box. So, and these last 2 here are where you can plug in a laptop or a device to play through. So that's all very straightforward, really. Okay, that's sound.
Hi, this is the operator's booth. As you can see, as you enter from here, please make sure you can switch off, actually, switch on everything. There's a tiny button down here, just find it. And behind you, and that should be everything powering up. The lighting board is a 088 Jester, which is very straightforward to use. Just make sure you program everything and you save it on a USB stick over here. And then every time you have your show on, just load your show, as you know, through the super user mode. We will send you a link to the manual. And this is lighting.